Hello traders, today we closed 9 out of 10 deals in plus with our private bot. So to find out how to get this bot, just watch the video and enjoy it. Let's start. So we see we are already on the bucket option from our computer. You can see on the phone also, the bot is quite simple. Here you can choose both a currency pair, a time frame, deal amount. We start with $100, 30 seconds, and we start with currency pairs. I'll show you the bot. I scroll through a lot of different languages. I repeat, the currency pairs, you can choose any. You can choose any time frame, and it's just for you, like you wish. So we go to our currency pairs, but choose start signals, and we launch in the signals analysis. We see we give this up deal. We start with this. So we see what we see here, how to use it, how this bot is working, how you can trade with this bot. You see some percentage. It shows with the what probability will go in one direction or another. By the way, the deal has already closed, plus we see we have profit. So this is the name of our bot. You can open these deals anytime. It works automatically on OTC on the weekdays, so it's good. And we go to Concepa, and we see open heart. We immediately open a deal. So fast, so we see. We developed these bots a long time ago, so it turned out to be quite successful. We continue to test it and improve it. So we have a 90 out of 100% successful, so it's quite good. We opened deals with the bot, and it's very easy and simple to use. If you're struggling to understand trading indicators or disappointed with the results, you're probably losing money. My free trading team is here to help you. Every day I share trading signals that you can copy manually or automatically by connecting to my social trading. I'm always ready to help you at every step. If you need to make $50 or even more, $1,000 per day, join my Telegram group now then, and you'll find interesting stories of new buys and real results. The number of places is limited, so do not miss the chance. Join today and start your profitable trading. Yeah, we see this third concept. Change this, open high, right away, up deal. So one more methodology also, we have open high or lower. We can accordingly open deals simply by percentage. So approximately, preferably more than 65 or 70 about, yeah. So you can get this bot, just follow the link to my Telegram channel, or you see in description the link, and go to my Telegram. You can ask me questions or write to me in private messages and get this bot and different instructions how to use it. So it's quite, yeah, we say fourth concept. Change our concept. Don't forget to change this. Sometimes we also had some people trade on the computer, but on the phone they forgot to change the concept, so be careful. Yeah, we see up deal. quite simple. 3 languages, if I'm not mistaken: English, Spanish, Portuguese. So you can use any as you wish. Different concepts as cryptocurrency. You can choose also any. So we go to 5th concept. We choose concept quite fast. We see it's opens good. So open UpTL. Yeah, we see progressive in terms, 4 seconds or maybe 5. It's, we see this strong accent, so to say. We open for increase, analyzing quite easily. We see after drawdown, we see always recovery. Yep, plus we see $170. We go to our last concept and we consolidate our success. So concept change, click start signals, and here we go. So I recommend waiting for a specific good signal. It may take 10 seconds or more. Full settings. If you have some suggestions, you can also go to my Telegram channel and write to me if you have any. So now I did it from my computer. I did also from my phone, so you can choose any also as you wish. Last deal we see, but our analyzing, and I'll so to finish our video, different strategies, signals, concept, and we go to cryptocurrency, also Bitcoin, and so on. You can choose any languages: English, Spanish, the whole basis, they're all English. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.